The Volunteer Service Awards theme is "Oh, the Impact You Make," and the volunteers make such an impact in our community. They add that special spark to the community that really makes organizations come alive. Each year we recognize both individuals who have done very special elements in the community over the past year in our competitive categories, everything from individual to family to corporate group, to also benchmark awardees, so individuals who've given over 100 to 1,000 hours of service in the community over the course of the year. We also have a wonderful Rising Star Award and a Lifetime Achievement Award where we really are recognizing the course of volunteering over somebody's lifetime. Today we have a special recognition for Volunteer Fairfax's former executive director, Jeannie Sanders. She's been with the organization for 10 years and she's provided a great deal of leadership and reshaping of the organization throughout those 10 years. We're really excited because Chairman Bolova is presenting her with a proclamation for her time with the organization at today's event.
If we didn't have volunteers, cadres of volunteers, providing hundreds of thousands of volunteer hours every year, Fairfax wouldn't be the place it is today. Somebody who volunteers will tell you they get more out of it than they think they give, because it helps change them too. And I think it's win-win.